Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Link 300 wireless Bluetooth smart speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not working because it's not syncing with the app, or it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you just want to replace it, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a replacement speaker. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the history off it, all the pairing history, all the settings and everything like that, so that you can basically set this up as though it's just coming out of the box for the first time. We can do that super easily on this speaker. All we need to do is make sure the speaker is on, and then once it's on, we're going to find the microphone mute button right here. We're just going to press and hold it for 14 seconds. And after 14 seconds, this speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot back into its factory default settings, and we can go ahead and set it up like a new speaker.